Iota, or Miota. Iota is a next-generation public distributed ledger that, unlike other cryptocurrencies that utilize blockchain, uses a novel technological approach called the tangle. The tangle is a new data structure based on a directed acyclic graph, or DAG. Iota doesn't have blocks, chains, or miners. To make an Iota transaction, one must validate two previous transactions. This makes it possible for Iota to reach consensus while allowing near-instant payments for no transaction fee. Iota is specifically created for Internet of Things, or IoT, devices. It makes it feasible for these Internet-connected devices to make microtransactions themselves, creating a machine-to-machine economy where, for example, your solar panel has the ability to sell electric to your neighbor's light bulbs. Eliminating mining and incorporating the tangle makes Iota endlessly scalable. As the more users there are, the faster and stronger the network becomes. Interesting facts. Iota was founded in 2014 as a German non-profit organization. IoT devices have been regarded as the fourth industrial revolution, as it opens up never-before-seen opportunities, and Iota is positioning itself as a critical factor to make the IoT revolution happen. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and connectivity, which enables these objects to connect and exchange data, according to Wikipedia. In November of 2017, Microsoft's blockchain specialist, Omkar Naik, was quoted saying that Microsoft will partner with Iota, which was later proven not to be the case.